Hey guys, this is Christine with ReveMoto Painted Auto Body Parts. There's Rolando. We are super excited about the new year. We have these new paintbrushes in, and that's for our touch-up paint. So we're really excited to show you guys. If you have any rock chips, kind of like this right here, if you can see it, along the hood or the bumper, we're just going to show you this one right here. But if you guys have anything like that, we're really excited about these because we think they're going to remove those rock chips for your new year. All right, let's go. So this is K12. This is what the touch-up bottles are going to look like, and this is going to be with them. So don't worry, you don't have to buy these separately. This is a 2005 Nissan Frontier. 2005, so that's 16 years. So we'll see how well it matches, all right? So just undo the cap. Really, you just want to dip a little bit. And just get the tip there.
Don't forget to shake up the bottle.
Less is more. So start off just dabbing a little bit here and there. And then you really want to let it set for about 10 minutes and let it dry before you add the second coat. All right, looks pretty good. That is after our first coat of the touch-up paint. Again, this is Christine with ReveMoto Painted Auto Body Parts. These are our new touch-up bottles. Thanks for supporting our small business and Happy New Year!